If you want to create stars in Blender, there's a few really easy ways to get some cool looking stars. For the first method, I'll create a star by using a built-in Blender add-on. So what I'll do is click on Edit and then User Preferences, get extensions and install extra mesh objects. You can see that it has been enabled in our add-ons. Now press Shift A, Mesh, and then go down to Extras and choose the Simple Star option. Before you click anywhere else, open up the Simple Star settings. Here you can change the amount of points. I'm gonna go with a 6-pointed star. You can adjust the height to make it thicker or thinner. You can adjust the outer and inner radius like this. And you can also change the location and rotation of the star. Now, if you want to make the ends of the star pointy, then you can select the top and bottom center vertices and then press Ctrl I to invert the selection. Then press S and C to scale it down. To make the edges a bit smoother, in the modifiers properties, add a bevel modifier. Increase the segments to make the bevel smoother and mess with the amount to get the effect you want. Apply the modifier once you're done. And finally, right-click to shade smooth. Another really easy way to create a star is to press Shift A and add a circle. Again, before you click anywhere else, open up the circle settings. I want to create a 5-pointed star, so I'm going to add double the vertices. So for a 5-pointed star, I'll add 10 vertices, for 6-pointed stars, 12 vertices, and so on and so forth. In the edit mode, I'm going to select every alternate vertex. Then press S to scale it inwards to get the shape of the star. Press A to select the entire mesh and press F to fill in the faces. To give the star some thickness, select everything and press E to extrude it upwards. Now, if you want to create a bubbly rounded star, go into the edit mode and select everything. Press Ctrl B to add a bevel and scroll to add more cuts. Then right-click to add Shade Smooth. You can also go ahead and add a subdivision surface modifier to give it some detail. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and as always, thanks for watching.